great wrestling match. Oh, the great wrestling match goes on. Who's gonna win? We gotta call truce. Here comes Big Bird. Hello,
kids.
Big Bird.
Hi, kids. Have you seen Gordon?
Tell him.
He's golden.
Not Golden, Gordon.
You're Gordon.
Here I am.
Hi, Gordon.
I'm right here. Big Bird, what's that in your hand?
This?
Yes.
Oh, this is a pile of poems that I did.
Pile of
A
poems?
pile of poems.
Read some.
Oh, thank you. That's what I'd like him to do. Why don't you read some?
Oh, these poems are not to be read.
Oh,
no,
no?
No. You see, I drew these poems.
You drew a poem?
I drew a poem. It's a new idea I have.
Oh, yeah?
Hmm.
Well, let me see.
Now,
Let's
okay.
see what you got here.
Now, look at the first one there.
Here's the first one.
Now,
Oh.
the picture is a poem.
The picture. Uh-huh.
Now, I got this idea from a book by somebody named Seuss.
Oh, yeah? Oh,
Doctor-
that's a cat
Or somebody.
in a hat
Yeah.
swinging a bat.
And that's the poem.
Is that the poem?
I once saw a cat
Yeah?
wearing a hat and swinging a bat.
A Big Bird picture poem.
Yeah.
Cat in a hat swinging a bat. How about that?
Right.
Wow. Oh, you got any more?
Now, look upon this one.
I will look upon that one.
Okay.
A
Now.
bear
Yeah, it's a bear.
combing his hair.
Combing-
Eating a pear.
Hey, you see I have these instant poets around here, Big Bird?
That's right. I once saw a bear eating a pear and combing his hair.
Now, this is all right. This is my kind of poetry. This is okay,
You
Big
don't
Bird.
need even know how to read, and you
Oh,
can tell what
yeah, you
the
can
poem
just look
is.
at it. That's
You
good,
have a
Big
whole
Bird.
box full.
Now,
What's that?
this one is a special one.
A special one?
Mm-hmm. Susan had to show me how to do some sewing to do this poem because it's not a drawing.
It's not a drawing?
Not a drawing. This is a
It's made
three-dimensional poem.
A three-dimensional?
It's made out
Can I
of
open it up?
Yeah, you open it
Okay,
up and you
I'm
see.
gonna open it
made
up.
out of yarn, right?
Made out of yarn?
No.
No, I don't know. That's it. Uh-huh.
Now-
Uh-huh.
Open that up.
Big Bird, I can see right. Come here, Benji. Come here. We're gonna work this out. Come here. Over the top and over this, and get your arms in real fast and turn around. Look at Big Bird. That's terrific. Oh,
Hey.
how about
A
that?
perfect fit.
Yeah, you know what it is?
There
It's
it
a
is.
sweater with a letter.
And that's the poem. And do you know what the letter is?
Yay!
J.
Letter J.